How to pin and highlight the post in Facebook page. If any day you would like to pin and highlight the post in Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. It may be your Facebook or the Facebook Lite out there. First of all, tap on the Facebook out there and you can see a screen like this. Now you can see the option of what's on your mind. By tapping on the option of what's on your mind and by writing any of the thing, for example, I write hello out there, and when you go to the option of the post, your very post will be posted and a new post will be created. Now one thing that you can create in the mind is, in order to pin and highlight the post, you can either create a new post or you can also pin and highlight your old post as well. However, I also created a new post here. Now you can go to the option of not now if you see any of you increase your reach. Otherwise, you can also boost it. If not, you can go to the turn next and then you can see a screen like this. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the profile section on your very top and not do any of the things out there. You have to tap on the profile section and again go to the profile section. You have to scroll down and you have to go to the post which you want to pin. You have to go to the three dots on the right side and go to the option of pin the post. And after you tap there, your very post will be pinned and it will also be highlighted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.